Hey there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you on how to download a bank statement from the Wells Fargo app in 2025. So without delaying any more time, let's get started. First of all, you have to launch the Wells Fargo app on your smartphone, or if you're using a PC, you have to install their app or go to their official website. So after then you have to log into your account using your username and password or biometric login like fingerprint or face ID. If you're on phone, you have to sign in using your username and password, then tap on to sign on. Now you have to tap on the account you want the statement for. This could be your checking, savings or credit card account, so make sure to tap onto it. Now you have to look for the statement and documents option. You'll see a option called statements and document. Tap it to view your available statements. You have to choose the month for date range you need. Most statements are organized monthly, so pick one you are looking for. Tap the download icon or the download PDF button here. This option, tap onto this. The statement will be saved to your device, usually in your downloads folder. Open the downloaded file to make sure it is the correct statement. All transaction details are visible and accurate. And that's it. So if this video is helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment below if you found this helpful. See you in the next video.